How do you check code formatting without altering the files? Maybe you need to do something like that if you have a pre-comment hook or as a CI step, or even check the file. So uh, to do that, you should first install Prettier locally, and through this command npx prettier dash dash check you can check a specific file, or if you put just uh, dot you can check all the files. So let's go to our solution or any project and check that by ourselves. Here is my project, but I have here Prettier extension integrated with Prettier. So if I change anything and press save, the file will be formatted, or Prettier will format the file for me. So I will press Control comma to access the setting, and here I will write format on save. I will disable format on save to use the commands. So now if I change, save, nothing happened and the file is not formatted. So what I am going to do, I will open the terminal. So let me close those terminals. I want to check this file specifically, so I should open the directory of this file. I will choose open in integrated terminal, so I will get the same path of the file, and here you can write our command and the file name, which is app.tsx, and check. Checking format, and he give you a warning for this file and code style issues found in the above file. Run Prettier to fix. So this is how to check the file. If you want to check all your project or all files in the normal terminal that's open the folder of your project, you can use that same command but with dot. So we'll check all the files and give you the warnings. Here he checks some files. We can later ignore some of them in another video. Thank you so much.